Oh yeah! Hola everyone, welcome back to another fishing session in and around Barcelona, and this is a beautiful spring day in Catalonia. Finally, we had pretty cold weather, a lot of rain, and I haven't been out fishing for like, I don't know, 8 or 9 days, so I'm really eager to get into that. Today we are targeting barbels, chubs, if we can do that, and obviously I wouldn't be sad if I managed to catch some carp, so let's get into it right away. I had to came away from the bank a little bit because I had to swap out my setup. This is a 7-gram sort of free rig that I'm gonna use, and the reason behind this is because the current is heavy due to the heavy rain that we had in the recent days. And the reason why I came away from the bank, because there are a lot of barbels just in front of me, so wish me luck. The water is very murky. I think I'm gonna go find a place where it generally is super shallow, still holds a fish, and maybe I will be able to catch one there. See that? This is the place where the wild boars hang, probably during the evening and the night, but I don't know. As long as I don't get to the river, I try to be very loud, big movements, talking, blah blah blah. I think I need to go that way. Oh yes. Carp. Thanks for saving me. Oh yeah. Finally. Just realized that he's hooked. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. And it's a nice one. I would appreciate it if you wouldn't go to the rocks. Oh, wow, okay. Ah, yes. Yes. I was looking for one proper bite for hours now. And finally this one took it. I swapped the lure, so it's still a crayfish, but it's a pink one. It's like a yes, a broad daylight. Finally. Yes. Oh, it's quite a long carp. It was really powerful, and it looks super healthy. Yeah. That was so cool. I think I'm gonna have a lunch as well, Gordy. Thank you so much for coming. So, all right, Gordy. Whenever you're ready, you're ready. Oh, finally something. I have seen him coming out from the bushes there, went somewhere in the middle, and then came out to the side. And I just tried to play the crayfish in front of him, and he ate it. He ate it. It wasn't like a super convincing bite, but he definitely slurped it, and yes.
Will you come down through your window and find me in the street? I've been dying for some company and trying to meet you.
Anybody home? Hungry for a pink crayfish? No. I found them. They are there. I swapped back to the original crawl. Tried everything. They're not interested in anything at all. Ah. Not today. Maybe I can get a carp on my way back, because it seems that they're somewhat willing to bite. But you know, it doesn't really make sense to me to continue fishing for barbel today. They were actually super scared when they saw the crayfish. So it means they are not really in a mood of hunting today. So I could keep trying and trying, but it's not gonna happen. I mean, on my way back, I will try a few spots. Again, I've seen a massive barbel here, but nothing. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh wow. I hope the battery won't die. To be absolutely honest, I'm not sure if it's a barbel. It can be a carp. Finally, guys, I can't tell you how difficult this day is. It is a carp. It is a carp. It is the day of the carps. They kind of saved me. Oh, it's a nice common, I think. Yeah. I'm happy with a nice carp too, because I am so tired now, and I just thought, well, actually I think that was the original idea of mine, to come back here at the end of the day and maybe just give it a go. Dude, such a nice carp. Get off the rock and get into my net. He doesn't want to get into the net, which I kind of understand, but listen, dude, I would really want to go home now. And it's so stupid things to say when there is a fish on your hook. Yes! Wow! At least 4 kilos. If not 5. Hey, Gordy, you just chill a little bit, and I'm gonna take care of everything. Yeah, for example, let's take this out. Ah, yeah, nice hook set. Just have a little bit of rest while I set up the big camera. Oh yeah, I think he's very rested. Let me just quickly show you to the camera. And I'm gonna let you go. He's a bit shy. He's a bit shy because he's a beautiful Gordy. Up. Let's get it back. Okay, Gordy. Say hi to the barbels for me. Yes. Wow, what a beauty. Exit fish, of course. I'm gonna cast a couple of more. Oh yeah. Oh, that was pretty cool. Oh no, it's gone. Wow. Oh, that was cool. Oh, again the hook. Oh no. The hook. How the hell? This one is a stronger one. Or it isn't. I don't know. Damn. God, what a take. I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. I am super tired. And actually I feel absolutely lucky to get 2 fish out today. But the bite was really difficult to get. But they were like so soft and gentle. They didn't really want to eat today. And especially the barbels, I kid you not. I did not spook them. I didn't spook them. They didn't even see me. But whenever they saw the crayfish, they were like, run away. And that is crazy. That is just one of those days when you know that it's not gonna happen. It is impossible. Another thing that we need to consider, that it is May, it is hot already, so probably evenings and early mornings are back. So many thanks for stopping by, and hope we see you soon. Take care, adios, bye bye.